There we go, that's a lot better. My starter fits on. Got the smaller flywheel on. That's good. So now I'll just put my bolts back in. Take them up again. And then we can put the motor back in again. Believe it or not, this is the third time I've had the motor out of this truck. First time I put it in, I attached this flywheel to the torque converter and forgot to attach it to the flywheel. So, needless to say, I had to pull the motor out. Well, Steve and I pulled it out, and we had to separate it, put the bolts in, and what I didn't do, I didn't put the starter on, otherwise I would have remembered that, or I would have known that the flywheel was too big. I didn't even know there were two different flywheels. Then are you guys really surprised I didn't know? No, you're not surprised, because I don't know anything. And I got to do everything twice before I learned. But in this case, I did everything 3 times. And maybe I learned something. But we'll find out if I do this again, which I want to do it again in a couple of years, whenever I get this here done. I have my eye on an old Chevy, something in the 40s. I don't know, I'm not exactly sure what year it is, but I know it's in the 40s. I found it when I was doing some back road running there, me and my wife, last fall. And it's a beautiful old truck. It'll make a really, really nice rat rod. I'll post it up when I post this video. All I have to do is convince the guy to sell it. He's got it sitting in just in his yard as yard art. So I'm going to go up there in the spring. Well, I guess the summer. Spring might be here now. I don't know. But anyway, I'll see if I can talk him out of it. And I'll bring it up to 60. 40. 60 pounds. Now, I'll put this sucker back together again. Try and get these wheels turned around. A little easier with 2 guys, but one stubborn guy can do it, I guess. Obviously, these weren't made in the USA or Canada. Jap crap. Looking good, looking good. This here's a great little hoist. Got a Princess Auto. I think it's good for 800 pounds. Yeah, 800 pounds it'll lift. can't use to put the motor in because between the motor and the transmission, I think I'd be getting 800 plus, and I don't want to take the chance. But it's great for unloading stuff out of my truck, lifting little things, this sort of stuff, because my back, my knees are so bad that I don't like lifting anything heavy, so the jib crane, it'll do the job. Looking good. Get all the nuts and bolts together, and we'll get her done. Installing the motor number 3. What can you do? Actually, what I should do is put those other bolts in before I do anything.